Good evening viewers, this is the post-market session with me Pratik Rader on your favorite network LTEveS, your money, our advice. Here's a look at the headlines. On the Indian front, the Indian markets continue to rise for the 7th consecutive day and both Sensex and Nifty traded above the 32-month high on strong inflow from foreign institutional investors. At the close, BSE Sensex gained 142.67 or 0.74% at 19,490. Meanwhile, Nifty climbed by 65.50 or 1.13% at 5861. IT, oil and gas and tech stocks gained while auto and realty stocks witnessed a marginal profit booking. Shares of upstream oil and gas companies shot up after Reliance Industries in a letter to the oil ministry wrote that the consumers are willing to pay more for the natural gas from the eastern offshore Krishna Godavari basin. On the European front, European shares edged lower on Wednesday, 15 September 2010. The key benchmark indices in the UK and Germany were down by 0.02% to 0.08%, but France's CAC 40 rose by 0.01%. That's all for now. Stay with us as we still have commodity and derivative to discuss after this short commercial. Welcome back viewers, and joining us now is a commodity expert Navneet. Navneet, welcome to LTEveS.
Thank you.
Right, Navneet, give us a fundamental outlook on the commodities.
Yeah. As we had discussed in the afternoon session, there was some inflation data that is coming from the Eurozone area. Eurozone inflation actually came in at 0.3% versus expected value of 0.2%. And also the month-to-month inflation figures was at 0.2% versus the 0.2% that was expected. That was mainly supporting the euro up move, and it also supported the base metals and crude oil prices. But some correction was witnessed crude oil prices as it reached below the key support levels. Coming to the US trading session, we have US export and import prices that is expected to come in during the evening trading session. And another important data that is to be watched out will be the New York Fed manufacturing activity, which is expected to increase to 8 as against the previous value of 7.1. So that will be also slightly supporting the base metal and crude oil prices. The other main data that is to be watched will be the US capacity utilization that is expected to increase to 75 versus the 74.80 that is expected. And US industrial production data is also expected in the evening. That will be very crucial data because it will be giving the pulse of the economy. And it is expected to come in at 0.2% versus the previous value of 1%. And main data that is to be watched for the crude oil traders will be the US weekly crude inventory data that is expected to fall to minus 2.6 million barrels. So that is a very good supporting data for crude oil bulls.
Right, so it's very important to watch out for the US data which comes in and its impact on the global markets.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, so give the technical levels when it comes to commodities.
Yeah. Gold is currently trading at the level of $1270 in the COMEX charts. It has got a very good support at $1267. That is a 23% retracement in the technical charts. So that is a very good support level for long position to be created in today's trading session. 1276 is a very good resistance on the upside. If that level is broken convincingly, then we can either 1297 to $1300 levels. So that will be a very good target for today's trading. In case of silver, 20.15 is a support level. Currently it's trading at the $20.49 levels. And 20.61 is a very good resistance on the upside. On reaching that level with convincing volume, then we can expect $20.95. In case of crude, 75.33 is a very good support level. And today, seeing the COMEX charts, it's expected this level will be tested before the crude oil inventory data release. So if that level is sustained in the market, then we can expect 76.78 on the upside. And if that level is broken on the upside with convincing volumes, then $78 will be on the cards. In case of copper is having a very good support at $341.85. 344.65 is the current rate that is running in the COMEX charts. If that level is broken downside, then 336 is a very good support, and this is a very good support for medium to long term basis. And 345.40 is a very good resistance on the upside. On breaking out this level with convincing volume, then $348 will be on the cards.
Right, thank you Navneet. Don't go anywhere viewers, we still have a derivative segment to discuss after this short commercial. Welcome back viewers, we have with us Mohan, our derivative expert. Welcome to LTEveS, Mohan. Thank you. Right, Mohan, give us outlook on the F&O segment.
Yeah, fine. As we saw that yesterday, net buy was around index future was 1625 and net sell in a stock future was 653. They have built up on stocks and unwinding in a stock futures. So then even you can see that put call ratio has increased from 1.60 to 1.73 points. That shows some market is picking up and market is in overbought situation. And implied volatility at the money options increased from 14% to 16%. And apart from this, yesterday we saw some unwinding in the most of the in the money call option. Have observed in this? So that this suggests some participant who are long on their book, went long, they are booking some profit on that. And apart from this, on the other hand, 57 and 5,800 put options had a significant open interest also. In that put unwinding observed in a 5.6 and below strike price on this.
Right, which are the stocks which are moving well with good open interest?
Yeah, stocks which are moving good open interest are like Polaris. Open interest was 11.49 with an increase in a price of 1.38. ONGC open interest was 15.28 with an increase of price of 1.06. And SAIL open interest was 11.96 and increase in a price of 1.96. And Dena Bank 8.93 and increase in a price of 1.42. IDFC 13.10 increase in a price of 4.47. And IDPI open interest was 10.89 with an increase in a price of 3.24. And HCL Technology 12.71 increase in a price of 3.57. Other stocks like good open interest build up are like Idea, ALBK, GAIL, Patni Computers, Financial Technology, Opto Circuit, and Concord. So these are the good open interest build up and with an increase in price in that.
Right, what do you expect from these stocks? Will they continue this way?
Yeah, but you can't say that because tomorrow is I saw that market is in August picking up. Might be you can see some stock specific like ONGC and oil sector as we discussed 2 days back also. And a few stocks individual stock specific can move up further up more on that.
And which are the stocks which are decreasing price?
Yeah, decrease in open interest gain and decrease in a price are like Petronet. And Petronet was 15.57 with a decrease in a price of 2.36 and ACC 9.02 and open interest build up and decrease in a price of 1.22 and Syntex Industry and 14.66 with a decrease in a price of 1.66. And other stocks are good open interest with decrease in price are like CESC and Sun TV. So these are the stocks which are giving some negative clue on this.
Right, thank you, Mohan.
Thank you.
We'll be back shortly with the currency sector. Don't go away. Welcome back, viewers, and we have with us our currency expert Vivek. Vivek, welcome to LTEveS. Right, Vivek, give us a technical outlook on the international and the domestic currency market.
As about Euro USD, Euro has breakout of strong 1.2916 resistance level, which was psychologically 1.3 level, which has broken yesterday night. Euro USD 4 hours charts looks bullish continuation pattern for the tomorrow. If in cases it breaches below 1.2910 levels, then we can expect the level of 1.2850 levels. The strong rebound as about USD JPY, the strong rebound from the 82.86 and break of 82.37 resistance level suggested to the short-term bottom in the form of bullish convergence condition in 4 hours MACD. So intraday bias will be back upside and further rebound should be seen in the towards 85.89 resistance next. On the downside, below 84.0 is a minor support level for that.
Right, will this have any impact on our domestic currency?
Yeah, definitely has impact on domestic currency where JPY has 2 rupees, means it came down of 2 rupees, which was trading at the level of 56 level yesterday evening. Now it is presently trading at 54.75 levels.
Right, Vivek, tell us about the AUD USD market.
Okay. AUD USD rally extend further to the high as 0.9456 level, and if it is breaks 0.94004 key resistance level, at this point of time it is, we are expecting further rally. Still it moves level of 0.4 and more than above 0.98 levels.
Right, these variances in the international currency market, what impact will it have on the domestic market?
Definitely there is an impact. So suppose yesterday JPY fallen, so there was 2 rupees downside in the domestic market, which was trading at the 55.56 level, which came at the level of the 54.50. Even in case of Euro USD, Euro INR also, it came down level of 60. It was trading at the level of 59.56 level, and it moved outside of the 60.17 level. So there is a correlation between the domestic as well as international.
Right, moving on, you told us about the correlation between the domestic and the international market, but tell us how the domestic market is performing.
Today domestic where Euro INR and USD INR was flat session, where in case of JPY INR made a strong downside level which was trading at 55.56 as I told previous. So downside movement is there for JPY INR.
Right, some downside movement expected in the JPY INR segment there. Right, thank you Vivek, thanks a lot. Thank you for watching viewers. This is me Prateek signing off from LTEveS. Your money, our advice.